Hello Livewires, Heather Boyd Wire here. Today we're making a super cute knitting ring. What you're going to need for this project are your cutters, your flat nose pliers. You can use a paper clip or 20 gauge wire for the knitting needles. I'm using 22 gauge wire for the wool and the ring band, and you need a ring mandrel or a round form like a marker or a highlighter. We'll start by opening up the paper clip, so you can either do this by hand like that, or you can open it up with your pliers. Then I'm going to bend it in half, a bit of an angle, and then I want to take the wire at about 1/4 inch, bend it back, push it right down, pinch it so it looks like that, pinch it a little more, and then the same on this side. We're going to hold it here, bend it to the back, push it right down, and then you can pinch it a bit. These are kind of crisscrossed and you don't want them too big, so we're just going to take this and bend it that way and make a bit of a triangle at the bottom. So if we do a triangle, we're just going to go like that and like that. Now you can clip that end, or if you don't want to ruin your cutters, just hold it with the flat pliers and bend it back and forth until it snaps, and then you can push it down so it's flush. Same on this side, at the same length. You can measure it if you want with a ruler, bend it that way, that way, that way, and then same, cut it or take it and bend it back and forth until it snaps, and then push it in so it's flush. So there we have the knitting needles. So now you're going to take the 22 gauge wire, you're going to put it here so we have about 3 inches there to form the band, a little bit more maybe. So twist it around these 2 wires, and then we're going to bring it back and forth. So down, around, and behind and around, behind and around. We're weaving it back and forth to give it the impression that there's some knitted part going on there. So round and back, and then we can just like twist this one around. We can actually clip it there and give it a pinch. We want to attach another piece so we can twist them together. So put another piece here around the same length. Wind it around both of these and then just up the middle here. So we're going to clip it, pinch it. Now these ones we want to twist together so it's a little more solid. Crisscross them at an angle, and then we're just going to twist them. So try to keep it even. If you keep them out at the same angle, it's going to be a little more even. We want it to be about 2.5 inches long. So once you have enough, place it on the ring mandrel, bring this one all the way around. We even have a little bit too much. So what I'm going to do is just unwind a little bit, clip one of them, put it back on the ring cone. I'll bring the wire up underneath, take the end, pull it snug, and bring this one around. Okay, we just want to secure it in place. So we're just going to bring this one around and bring it down. Just bring it around the band to be extra secure. Clip the end, pinch it in so it's not sharp, put it back on the ring mandrel, adjust it. You can adjust these as you need. There you have a super cute little knitting needle ring. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out our work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to submit your email, I will send you my free Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.